All right, how to start a cooking vlog with AI? Yes, with AI generated for free. You don't have to pay a dime. Watch this. AI generated, and you don't have to pay for this. All right, so today I'll be showing you how you can create a vlog with AI and generate your video. And this is for free, and you can monetize, get paid, and you enjoy it. So you're going to use from text to video, and you're good to go. So quickly, let me show you how you can generate this kind of video uh, for free. You don't have to pay for it. All right, so let's dive in. Please, if you're new on this channel and you've not subscribed, please hit the subscription button. My name is Damisax, and here on this channel, I do a lot of wonderful things. All right, so the first thing you do, you go to your ChatGPT. If you're new, you don't know how to make use of ChatGPT. You register with your email, and so you're good to go. So the first thing you want to generate a scene of somebody. So I'm going to give my prompt, which is my command now. So here's my command. I said generate four scene. Generate four scene of a black. So you can ask your own prompt. You can describe whatever you want. So here's me saying generate four scene of a black young man. Okay. Cooking in the kitchen. So you have to define your prompt well so that you have your results with consistent character. So I want the kitchen and everything to be consistent. Okay, so the same one. So I want a kind of four scene now that will be generated. Scene one. He is cutting onions. Okay, so scene two now. What can I put now? Oh, okay, let me see. Washing. He is okay. Let me use cutting vegetables. Okay. Then scene three. What can I use in scene three? Okay, let me use scene three. I just need four scene. Okay. Scene three. Okay. Okay, let me use washing of plates. Washing plate. Please, if you're new on this channel, please subscribe to this channel, because here on this channel I do a lot of wonderful things with AI. Teach you how to make use of your AI, how to make a faceless content, and I promise you won't regret subscribing to my channel. So please hit the subscription button. If you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section. Yes, and I promise I will respond to it immediately. Thank you so much. All right, so here is ChatGPT now. So I'm trying to generate a four scene. So I've defined each of the scene. Scene for turning the food that is on the gas. No, let me use on the pots. No, on the fire. Let me put pots. On the pot is better. Okay, in the pots. Okay. Now, it's it's like computer, you garbage in, garbage out. So it's whatever the prompt, the command you send, that is what will be generated. All right, so I'm expecting to get four pictures now of each scene. The first scene will be the one where it's cutting the onions. The second scene will be where is cutting vegetables. Third scene where the man is washing plate, and the fourth scene where he's turning the food on the fire. All right, so our first scene is almost ready. So here's the picture of the man cutting or slicing onions. So you can see, here's the first scene. You can see this was generated for free. So after this is done now, you save your picture. If you want it in landscape mode, you give the command that you prefer it in landscape mode. This is portrait. So can give your command. So after this, we go to the AI that we're going to use to turn it to video. So we are going to use PixVerse. PixVerse is one of the trending AI now that everybody is using. With your picture and any prompt, it gives you what you want. So you go to your PixVerse and you add your image, then you write the prompt. So the same one said, make the man to be cutting onions. So if you want more to it, you can say, why is cutting onions? Let him laugh, let him do this. But this is the first thing because the video, I want it to be in parts. So this part, the man should be cutting onions. I think that's just okay. You made the man to be cutting the onions. So you send your command. This is PixVex. Okay, and this is one of the AI that they use in punching, trending punching on TikTok, or this AI filter man made. This is the AI that most all these TikTok filters are using now. So when you upload it, it generates so fast that in few seconds your video is ready. You can see your video is generating. So this one it comes very fast, and every day you'll be giving free 90 coins. Each of your prompt or each video you generate is 20 coins. Sorry, 60 coins. So per day you are only limited with 60. But if you want to generate more than that, you have to pay. So this is the man slicing the onions now. You can see it came out so flawless, so nice. It looks so real. People won't even believe this is an avatar. It looks like a normal human being. So this is lovely. So this is PixVex. And then so after this, you can generate your subsequent videos as pictures that are ready. But let's still make use of this again to do further videos. All right. So this is PixVex. Please, if you're still watching up to this time, if not subscribed, please hit this subscription button, and I'll be glad you do that. Thank you. Okay, so going further, I can ask the avatar, that is the picture generated using my ChatGPT. I generated this with ChatGPT because I needed a consistent character. I needed a consistent. So I said, okay, make the man to move towards the gas. So I want it to look like the man goes towards the gas and on the gas, so that it will just look like it's not just cutting alone. So very fast. So it looks so fast, and this is for free. And before you know it, the it generates so fast, and this is for free. Just like I said, you're not paying for this. Here you can see your video is ready as well. Very fast. Most AI it will take like 5 minutes, 10 minutes before you generate, but this one in few seconds your video is ready if you have a good network. So why you see this loading is because the network is kind of bad, but even with your bad network, it won't take up to 30 seconds or maximum 1 minute. So you can see the video is ready. So you go and you can see other video I've generated. It looks so wonderful. So wonderful. You see. Very, very nice. Okay, this one I think I generated it twice. So you can see. You see. You see. Very, very fantastic. So amazing. So this is PixVex, and you can use it to generate your vlogs and your cooking vlogs, especially if you want to go into faceless content. You need to create your own ideas. You can turn any ideas into videos. Just send your prompt, send your command, and it will give you whatever you ask for. What you need is just to get a good prompt, and you are good to go. Thank you so much. Please, once again, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please hit on the subscription button, and you can turn on the notification bell so that anytime a video is dropped on this channel, you'll be notified. Thank you. I'm so grateful. See you in the next video. Bye.